Show how deep it is. Yeah. Knee level.
So just retaking videos because I think also show the errors earlier. I think I should have used the what do you call this one name?
Mode.
Huh?
Landscape.
Landscape mode instead. Sorry guys, instead of the portrait mode because it would make my video look
Timer.
better. Yeah, this would be my. I was thinking of posting another first video, something something introductory about myself, but I just thought this doesn't really come often to the province where we lived right now, where we are leaving rather. Sorry, the snow's freezing my brain. So this doesn't happen all the time. So I was just like thinking of I want to let you know how it really is having. Look at Nina. She's been there for an hour already, and her chicks are already as red as Lottie's chicks. So in Montreal, we used to live in Montreal, and I think this is nothing compared to Montreal. And we lived in an apartment, so I forgot the name. Frank. So Frank used to, I know, now appreciating Frank. Frank used to plow the pathway for us, so because we lived in an apartment, so it wasn't really our sort of responsibility. Now that we have our own house, we need to make sure we plow our driveway, the walkway is clear, because if ever any accidents happen to people walking near our home, like their house, you know, and then so it would be our liability. So we have to make sure the path's clear. But actually, we're doing good, and we made a new friend. Hey, Mike, say hi to my vlog. That's our neighbor. So yeah, see, we've already made a mountain of snow. It's far from becoming Mount Everest though, but look at that. We've made a very, very big progress so far. So this is just actually cleaning up some of the snow, because it would be like this for the entire week. So there will still be more plowing, more freezing hands, more frostbites, hopefully not. So I'll go help Nina first, and then I'll continue with it. Okay, bye guys. Away Kitty from the snow. This is our real job here. It's beautiful. Snowman is beautiful, but being Elsa, not really. Here, I'm throwing it at Nina, the one taking my videos. Yeah, and that's how our life is here in Canada.
Let's see your progress.
See?
Wow.
Made it that far. Thank you. So we're actually very tired now and freezing. So we haven't really done very much, but it's really tiring, so we're gonna take a break. I'll probably head inside and rest for a while because we can't feel our hands, our face, or everything anymore. Maybe have a cup of coffee to warm ourselves up, and Nina doesn't drink coffee, so maybe she'll have a cup of warm hot chocolate. A chocolate show. So yeah, and we still have this to go, all this and there. So it's really a long way. No.
Afternoon nap.
I have to make sure I finish this because I still have to go to work at 7, and I have to make sure I clear the way, and Nina is really helping me. So yeah, So happy, our neighbor, look at them, they're done. They've cleared their way. And we're not even, I think we're halfway though, but yeah. So we should be good. I envy those neighbor we have out there, eh? We have a neighbor there, he has a snow blower. And one neighbor over the other side, he also has a snow blower. I wonder if we can borrow it. Oh, so Canadians are actually nice. Maybe if they see us struggling here, they would help us, but hopefully, yeah. So that's it. Nee, come on, let's head inside. Let's just leave this there. We can't leave it like this because it'll be snowing the entire week. So if we don't clear up today, it will pile up and you won't be able to get out anymore, I think. I don't know. Probably. Yeah. So,
Excusez-moi.
okay, I have a French friend here. Wants me to get away. So, yeah, come on. Come on.
Okay.
We're heading inside now. So, look at that. I will show you our door. Nina actually plowed it already. So, it's not clear yet, but at least it's not covered anymore. So, we're taking a break, guys, and we'll be back in a sec. Bye. So, we're back from our break, and we will continue with plowing. So look at that, we still have that to go. So, and it's still snowing, so it's a long way, but we got it. Okay, update. So we did it, we're done. We cleared our driveway, but I'm not so confident with the streets. I hope the city would be here soon to clear up the streets. So that's how far we've gone. Like we've really literally cleaned it up, as you can see. But then the snow, I think it's heavier this time. So no doubt by the time before I go to work, there will be a pile up again. But I hope not that much. But yeah, I think so. I'm confident if there will be. But at least we did a good job. Good job, Nee. High five. So that's it. So we're headed back now to inside our house to have lunch and have a warm cup of coffee. It's really cold, guys. It's really cold. Like, I don't know. But oh my god, this is still not looking good. Bye now.